Ito yung makuha ng grace dispensation of the
Lagyan mo na ng tinta.
Gentiles.
Wala na tinta. Wala na yun. Wala na yun. Yun yung tinta mo. Wala.
Sabi dito, sa seven church ages, mayroong kanyang-kanyang spiritual condition. So, simula na nung namatay si Jesus Christ, from the death of Christ, diba namatay si Jesus Christ? Tapos, musbog yung unang iglesia. Yung unang iglesia na yun yung Efeso. Yun. Musbog ito. Ito yung yung seven church ages. Makita dalhin sa isang Asia, sa Asia Minor. Itong pitong ito. So, yung unang itatapin ko yung Ephesians Church nga. Sabi po dito, yung Ephesians Church ages, mababasa natin sa Revelation 2, verse 1 to 6. Pakibasa po. Revelation 2. 1. Revelation 2 verse 1. Unto the angel of the church of Ephesus write, these things say he that holdeth the seven stars in his right hand, who walketh in the midst of the seven golden candlesticks. Sabi po doon, may isang iglesia, yung unang iglesia, sinabi po doon yung Ephesians Church Ages. Yung Ephesians Church Ages, approximate daw, kita yung musbong yung mula iglesia. 53 AD. O Domini. Hanggang 170 AD. So sabi dito, yung Ephesian Church Ages, tinawag siyang relax or ease. So, yung Ephesians, pero hindi siya tinawag dito na church dapat sa perfect church. Bakit perfect church siya? Kasi, sila yung yung salita ng Diyos, bago natanggap nila, pure pa time na yun. Yung salita ng Diyos, pure pa. So, naging apostle nila, or naging isang messenger, si Apostle Pablo. Si Apostol Pablo na kung saan merong tinawag dito ng mga good points. Kung may good points, meron ding bad points. So ano yung good points na unang nagawa nila? Yung una, they cannot bear evil. So hindi sila gumagawa ng na they cannot bear evil. Tapos yung pangalawa naman, sulat ko na lang Yung pangalawa, they rejected false apostles. So, nire-reject po nila yung mga apostles na nagsasalita na hindi nakaayon sa salita ng Diyos. Tapos, they hated the deeds of the Nicolaitans. So, simula pa sa unang iglesia, nire-reject na nila yung mga false prophet, teachers, at saka ayaw-ayaw nila yung ugali o gawa ng mga Nicolaitan. So, alam na po natin yung mga ugali ng mga Nicolaitan. So, the fulfillment of this may not be written in history, but it can be presumed that the believers in the church ages have strong faith and cannot bear accept false doctrine. They also hated the deeds of the Nicolaitans. Nicolaitan means to rule over the common people. So, yung Nicolaitan, ibig sabihin nun, yung kino-conquer yung kaisipan ng tao, sinasaraduhan yung kaisipan ng isang tao. So sabi, meron din ginawa silang bad points. Yung bad points nila, they lifted their first love. So yun yung bad points nila. Nakalimutan nila yung una nilang pag-ibig. So, ano po yung una nilang pag-ibig?
Side view, side view.
It's their first love. Makibasa po yung yung mayroong word na it is their first love. Sir Kim. Sir Kim, pakibasa. Mga verse na yata yun. It is their first love.
Sila nagabasa natin.
1-4.
1-4.
Nevertheless, I have somewhat against thee because thou hast left thy first love.
Yun, sabi po doon, nakalimutan nila yung una nilang pag-ibig. So ano yung una nilang pag-ibig? Katulad sa atin, yung pag-ibig natin mag-share o magbuklat ng Bible. So, yung in the beginning, yung una-unang pag-usbok ng unang iglesia, husbos nila ng banal na espiritu, tapos hindi makikita sa kanila yung lukewarmness na ihina sila. Yung time na dumating yung yung pang-linlang ay yung bad spirit sa kanila. So na-delete their first love. Kung ano yung ginawa nilang ining dati, nag-labor sila, may patience silang ginagawa, mayroong pagtitiis. Pero sabi, ni-rebuke sila na kung saan, ano yung ni-rebuke sa kanila na nakalimutan nila yung una ng pag-ibig. Yung una nilang pag-ibig, yung ang ginagawa nila dati. Na kung saan, sabi dito, they had strong love for Christ at the beginning of His age, but their faith began to wither at the end of His church ages. Kung ano ba, parang di ba yung nakikita natin yung itim ng unang di ba merong tingnan yung di ba, tingnan yung yun. Iba yun eh. Yung yung tracks natin. Hindi na nakahalata eh. Di ba ganun yun siya? Tapos yung itim doon, kumakalat yung itim, di ba?
Hindi mo isulat sa blackboard.
Yun na yun. Mag-rate yun. Magdodrawing na lang.
Yan.
Yun, basta basta may itim yun.
Yung daw, kaya niya.
Yun, tapos condition of the word of God is Ephesians Church Ages. Yung condition daw ng inang iglesia, may hamping daw natin dun sa sa Matthew 13, 1-9. Pakibasa si Sir Yana. Matthew 13. Matthew 13 verse 1-9.
Matthew 13, 1-9. Matthew 13:1. The same day when Jesus out of the house and stand by the seaside. 2. And great multitudes were gathered together unto him, so that he went into a ship and sat, and the whole multitude stood on the shore. And he spake many things unto them in parables, saying, Behold, a sower went forth to sow. 4. And when he sowed, some seeds fell by the wayside, and the fowls came and devoured them up. 5. Some fell upon stony place where they had not much earth, and for they sprang up because they had no deep place of earth. 6. And when the sun was up, they were scorched, and because they had no root, they withered away. 7. And some fell among thorns, and the thorns sprang up and choked them. 8. But others fell into good ground and brought forth fruit, some 100-fold, some 60-fold, some 30-fold. Now who have ears to hear, let him hear.
Yun. Sabi dito, this parable of the sower goes in the harmony with the Ephesians church, where at this church ages where word of God, or the doctrine, was widely spread by the evangelists against the persecution of the Creole. So sa tayo na Ephesians church ages, ginagamit yung yung sa fivefold. Yung fivefold na yun, yung saan sila, katulad ng evangelist, sila yung nag-spread ng salita ng Diyos. Hinahasik. So, sinatype dito, yung taga-hasik daw, pero sa ano sa atin, taga-hasik ng Diyos. So dito, ginamit ng Diyos ang mga evangelist teachers na kung saan sa time ng Ephesians, sila yung ginamit ng Diyos na kung para ihasik yung salita ng Diyos. Pero sa kabila ng paghahasik nila, merong mga pangusik at saka yung mga yun. Tapos, second church ages na. Smyrna. May basa sa Revelation 2:8.
Huwag paunahan. Pati ikot na yan. Kaya lang paunahan pa kayo.
2:8, Revelation 2:8, and unto the angel of the church in Smyrna write these things, saying, the first and the last which was dead is alive.
Next. Sino na? Sign.
Nalalaman ko ang iyong
Ayun lang yan nangyari. Raise it.
kapit at ang pangusong ng mga nagsasabing sila'y mga at hindi sila gayon kundi isang sinagula ni Satanas.
Yun. Nung pagkatapos ng unang iglesia, umusbong naman yung pangalawa. Yung Smyrna Church. Yung Smyrna Church or Smyrna. Sabi dito, yung Smyrna, approximate na umusbong siya noong 170 AD hanggang 312 AD, Anno Domini. Sabi dito, ang ibig